Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be making an igloo scenery. So we'll start by making a shape slightly bigger than a semicircle, and then we'll make an ulta U and inverted U at left end like this. Then inside we will make another small U to double it. And then at the back we'll make a curved shape a little shorter, and then we will join these lines in this way. Now next we are going to make a curved shape like this inside to show the inside. We'll make this type of shape to show that we can go inside. And then we'll make curved shapes like this. Till we reach the bottom. And then we'll erase the extra line if we have any. Then at the top we'll make an upside down V shape and then make lines below and keep going down in this manner, a little curved to one side. After this we will make lines on the U shape, make a similar pattern on the curved shape behind, and then make lines. After that I am shading on the inside of the igloo. And after that I'm going to shade in the curved shape. And once we are done with the shading part, we will make a shape like this to show a river, a frozen river or lake. We'll make these lines to give it a 3D effect, and then shade. We'll do a little bit of shading here as well, and then we will make a very slightly slanted line and another one slanting in the other direction, and then we are going to make lines in it using a pencil like this. And then at the top we'll make 3 lines going in different direction, then a V shape, then we'll make equal curved lines on both sides till we reach a little above the bottom. And after that we are going to make lines here like this. So here basically we are showing a pine tree, a Christmas tree you can call it. And these lines will become longer, they will become bigger as we go down. We are going to do the same thing on the other side, and then make some lines to show snow. Then here you can make a snowman. I am making mine with 3 circles. You can use more than that or less than that. We will make eyes, nose, smile and button, and then its hands. So if you want to put any other clothing item like a cap or a muffler or a glove, you can do that. Then I'm making another Christmas tree or a pine tree. You can make a lot of them. You can make a row of pine trees at the back. We are going to use the same method to make this pine tree as well. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. We'll make lines. Then we'll make a line at the back to show the sky and the ground. Then we'll make mountains at the back. Then we'll make one mountain in between. And then, so here either you can shade here, as you can see, either you can shade or you can color. So first I'm making a shovel in the snow. And then I'm going to color because I prefer coloring. I'm going to use my light brown or a normal brown, a dark brown, my blue color, and that's it. You can also use white color to blend the snow. Here I'm just blending with my hands. You can use a cotton or any other thing. I'm shading using dark brown and I'm going to use blue color to make snow. I'm going to use my blue brush pen and blue marker to highlight the igloo. I'll be doing it in a while. I'll be highlighting the igloo and making, to show the snow, I'm using my blue brush pen. And our drawing is done. Thanks for watching. This is the final result. And bye.